Yeah. Hold up. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches, fuck up, then dismiss it. Bang. Hold up. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches, fuck up, then dismiss it. Bang. Really.
Welcome to the WalkersWaves show. For your one and only Mr. Walker. We at it again. You know, we can't let a whole year go by without doing something on YouTube, get something going. This video is for my wavers or anybody, you know, just looking to get in shape before the New Year's resolution and going to gym and stuff. I'm going to show you how you can actually lose weight while brushing. Yeah. Lose weight while brushing. Now I know what y'all think. You're probably like, y'all like, man, come on, man. Yeah, right, dude. No, hear me out. When I started my journey to getting back on stage and competing against some of the tightest, fittest dudes and stuff, I started with waves. Brushing got my confidence back. And that's how I started to see my body change. The hair goes with the body. So I'm going to show you ways that you apply time to your hair that can actually help out your body. Now, step number one. What do I want you to do while brushing that's going to help you lose weight? Stand up. Yeah, stand up. When you stand up, you burn anywhere from 100 to 200 calories per hour. You know, it all depends on age, sex, height, and weight. So if you weigh more, if you're a bigger person, you're burning more calories when you stand up. So you sit down, you brush for hours, you know, you kind of husky, chubby. Listen, if you stand up, you're burning way more calories than a skinny dude. And the bigger you are, the more muscle you have, really. The body has to put out more energy to move you because of your weight. So you got more muscle, you just can't see it yet. Okay, step number 2. How to use the brush to lose weight. Step number 2, get in the mirror. You got to get in the mirror, okay? It works. It's been scientifically proven to help burn more calories, all right? And on top of that, that's why a lot of people that you see work out at gyms and stuff, they'll be in the mirror and stuff. It's a reflection of yourself and what you're doing. And it makes you work out harder. It does. So the same thing translates with being in the mirror in your own bathroom at home, brushing your hair. If you're looking at yourself longer in the mirror and standing up, it's going to burn a lot more calories because it's going to make you work harder. You might find faults, you know. You might find that left side not like the right side. So that's going to make you turn around more, use the different angles, which is like moving, burning more calories. That's what's happening. You're burning more calories, okay? And it's going to make you brush harder. You know, it might make you brush a little bit longer. That's more time standing up. It might make you just move your big butt and hop up in the shower and do a wash and go, which is going to burn a lot more calories. You know, something extra. Just because you saw the reflection of yourself in the mirror. Okay? So, whatever you're doing, standing up, brushing, get up in the mirror, brush even harder. It all equals burning more calories. All right? Okay. The final step. The final step is diet. Yes. I know a lot of y'all don't like that word, diet. You know, what I like to call it is daily lifestyle. Okay? The most important hair supplement that you can put on your hair for better waves, the most important supplement is not exactly what you put on your hair. It's not. It's what you put in your mouth. Okay. When intentionally losing weight, sometimes people reduce their calorie intake and protein intake, and it might cause hair loss. Okay, so that's not what you want to do. If you're on a diet or trying to eat healthy and you're always hungry, no. We need to put more protein, more essential oil, fatty acids, avocados. We need to put that more in our mouth. Stuff with biotin in it. We know that's good for our hair, so y'all choose hair products with biotin in it. It's better to put that stuff in your mouth. Let your body digest that, so that way it takes away hunger. It takes away you snacking from something that you shouldn't be snacking. Stupid, my dog, man. You have to give your body the right supplements, and the best supplements that you can buy is just healthy, regular food. Okay? So that's all you need to do. And watch your waves get better, and watch your body start to change, and then boom, we got a jump start on them for 2023. Just because you're a waver or whatever type of hairstyle you got, doing that extra work of personal hygiene. All right? So I hope this video helps out somebody out there. You know what I mean? Spread it out to your friends and stuff and everything. Man, hit the like button too, bro. Come on, man. Hit the like button, all right? All right? I plan on doing some videos for y'all, Let me know in the comments if I missed out something or something that you did helped you out. Hey, you can never stop learning, okay? And like the waves, okay? The waves just not going up. There's no waves just going up. You're going to have up days, you're going to have down days, okay? The most important thing, though, is to stay consistent and keep the brushes moving. Keep everything moving, okay? You can do it. Walker knows what.